They are nut-free, dairy-free, gluten-free. They are made from whole foods. Guys, let me tell you about one of mine and my family's favorite snacks right now, favorite treat snacks. It is Drizzilicious. They are only this little bag right here. So they have different size bags. This little bag right here is 21 grams. It is only 90 calories, very low sugar, and it makes you feel like you're having a treat. So for instance, my husband and I are just on a wellness journey. We are doing low carbs and we're not really eating much treats right now. And this just makes us feel like we're having a treat, makes us feel like we are getting a fun snack in our day and without ruining our calories. We feel good about giving these to our kids. There's also so many fun different flavors to try, and this one right here is the s'mores one. And so they're these little tiny rice cake. This one has drizzled chocolate on it. The birthday cake one is so fun. The cinnamon one is fun. We love all the flavors. We cannot get enough of this snack. I cannot recommend it enough.